One other thing I forgot to tell you is how to get other help for Curve that may not have been provided in all the videos. So what you do is you go to the 3 lines right here and click, and then right down here where it says Curve Community, go on there, and you can search, you can type a word in here, but I think you have better luck just going to Curve University, and there's all different topics and whatnot. So you can just look through those. The reason that I'm not having you use these specifically for how to do payments and whatnot is because they have not updated their videos to reflect their new invoicing system. So a lot of this is outdated, but there might be some things that, like entering and managing appointment notes. Oh, I guess now you have to register. Anyway, if you just look through some of these, you might find some that are pertinent to what you need. Okay.